Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making pulled pork. This recipe goes a long way. You can use 1/4 of the meat and freeze the remainder to make meals in future weeks. This is another meal that can feel like eating out. Begin by placing a pork roast in the crock pot. You can add a little water in the bottom of the crock pot, or, if you like, onions. Add a couple of onion slices to the bottom of the crock pot. Place your meat fat side up. Cooking time will vary, but for a 6-pound roast, plan to cook it on high for 10 to 12 hours. The internal temperature should reach 160 degrees and the meat should easily fall off the bone. Once done, shred the meat with forks. Add your favorite barbecue sauce to the meat and serve it on a bun. You can add coleslaw on your sandwich or as a side. Baked beans and chips make great sides as well. Alternatively, you can serve it over a baked potato with sour cream, butter, and cheese. Either way you serve it, this one is sure to please. There you have it. Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.